Here's how to use saved audio on your Instagram story. Now open up the Instagram app here and tap on the Reels icon at the bottom right. Now let's say you want to get this song. You can see at the very bottom I can tap on the song and it will bring me to summer days here. And now all I need to do is tap on the little bookmark or save icon. So now I have saved it. Let's use it in a story. Let's go back out of here and go home. And from here, we're going to tap on the little plus at the top left next to your story. And let's say I'm just going to use my camera to take a quick video or an image, whatever you want. Now, at the very top, we're going to tap on the sticker icon, the little smiley face. And then we're going to tap on music, the little sticker for music. From here, all you need to do is tap on the saved option at the top right. And you can see there's that summer days. I can just tap on it. And you can see I can listen to it and tap the arrow at the bottom right. Now I have added it. I can also go back and add the captions. I can add a little basically image of what it looks like. But let's just choose music only and hit done. And now I can share it with my saved audio.